Hello, my lovelies. This is Leanne from Resin Creations, and welcome to my channel. And I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I have a brand new mold from Just For You Online UK, and it is a large tray mold. And this particular mold comes already with base handles, which is great, so you are ready to make your own tray. So here I already premixed my resin and it's time to mix the pigment in. So I pick out 5 different colors, resin pastes. Some of them it's first time for me using, so I had to open them and mix them into the resin. And I am going for like blue, silver, white color scheme this time. And I was really excited to make this tray because of all the new pigments that I had. And basically 4 pigments are from Just For You Online UK. I have mostly all their pigments and they are amazing colors and good quality, and I'm always happy to use their products. And one is from Arteza. So just mixing everything really well. It takes a little bit to do it, but it's all good fun. All preparations. Now it's time to take out the mold from the package. And this is actually quite a large tray mold. It measures about 32 times 22-ish centimeters large. And of course it's all approximately because the edges are geode style. So yeah. So now I am starting to layer my colors. I chose to do dirty cup pour with them. So I'm just taking every color and pouring inside the cup. It really doesn't matter the order you're going into. Just keep pouring. Keep mixing the colors. And here I go. So after pouring, I went over with my blowtorch to pop any bubbles, and I went in with this silicone brush just to kind of adjust a little bit the lines. But at the same time, we all know that resin likes to move, and as much as I liked this initial pattern you see here after curing, it looks like that. So I decided to add this vinyl sticker on top of the tray that it would look really nice. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm cleaning off any debris or sticky handprints, sticky fingerprint, and now I will transfer my sticker. I do own a cricut machine, so it's always handy, and it helps to come up with better design if you're not happy with what you got already. And in the beginning I wanted to do moon with crystals. I had a design that I purchased off Etsy, but unfortunately it was a nightmare to stick it on without any bubbles. So after 2 tries of this moon, I decided to go with this lovely girl abstract sticker that also I purchased off Etsy, and I really like this choice, and I'm happy that I ended up going with it. So this is the last part. Take off the transfer tape. It all looks easy on the video, but I swear I always struggle to do my transfers and to apply the sticker without any bubbles. Yeah, I usually waste couple tries in vinyl, and yeah, so I had to buy different handles because as my design goes silver, the gold handles I didn't want to add. And now I will be adding the final coat, the top coat, and I decided to add little tiny bit of this silver fine glitter. And this glitter you need a little, and it goes long way. So here I added just the right amount for my liking. I was worried that it was too much, but it's just right in my opinion. So I leave the handles in there and add the resin. And this resin will cure, and the handles will stay there forever, and no need for drilling, which is great. They are there forever without any problem. So I put this top coat, and honestly I could mix a little bit more resin. I didn't know exactly how much this tray takes, so as always the best method is eyeballing, and sometimes it's great, sometimes could be better, could be improved. So here I'm going around my heat gun and try to pop any bubbles, and also push the resin to the edges. And then leave it to cure. So this is couple days later, the resin has cured, and I'm super excited to demold it and see how it looks. Straight starting to demold it, I noticed that the edges are super sharp, so I will take my Dremel and I will Dremel off the sharpness. And so there it is, and I'm really happy how it looks. So here are the sharp edges. And I did Dremel them, and my next step I wanted to show you, I will color the edge silver, and this is a lovely pen set from Just For You Online UK that I got. It has all the colors and it's really nice to color. And as this was my first time using it, I had to hold it against paper, push it down until the paint comes out. It's the same procedures with all the pens in these days when you start to use it for the first time. And here I am painting the edge. It's super easy with these pens. Gives you nice and even finish. Just keep going around. So I like to start with the top, and after I will paint this part, all the edge. And this pen is really nice and it has a nice coverage. And here it is, my beautiful tray all finished, and I really like it. And I would say I used about 600 milliliters of resin, and it did come out a bit on the thin side. So in the future, I think I definitely gonna try to achieve a bit thicker look. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!